Hey everyone, my name is Sahil and in today's video we will be talking about maintenance-free earthing. We will discuss what is maintenance-free earthing, the benefits of this kind of earthing, backfill and copper bonded rods, and how these are better than the more conventional types of earthing systems. So let's start with what is earthing. Also known as grounding, earthing is the practice of transferring electrical charges to the ground through low resistance rods or earth electrodes so that it quickly discharges any stored electricity. There are two main types of earthing that we will discuss. First of all, maintenance-free earthing and conventional earthing. So what is maintenance-free earthing? It is a type of earthing system that does not require regular maintenance in order to function properly. This is achieved through the use of specialized material known as earth enhancing compounds along with high quality earth electrodes such as earth rods and earth pits, which are resistant to corrosion and other forms of degradation. These systems are more reliable and longer lasting than traditional earthing systems like conventional earthing. But the main question is, why is maintenance-free earthing better than the conventional earthing? Conventional earthing systems degrade over time because it uses layers of salt and charcoal while the salt leaches out and corrodes the earth electrodes used in the system. Salt and charcoal are also less conductive materials and are not able to effectively dissipate the fault currents in the way that other, more specialized earthing materials can. As a result, it is not an effective or reliable method for providing earthing. This is where maintenance-free earthing becomes more reliable. This earthing system has a longer lifespan of more than 15 to 20 years, and our earthing experts recommend using maintenance-free earthing over traditional systems. So let's discuss some additional benefits of maintenance-free earthing before we get into the details of the backfill that is used and the copper bonded rods. So first of all, cost saving. As maintenance-free earthing systems do not require regular maintenance, it saves time and money compared to conventional systems. Durability. These earthing systems are typically made with specialized materials that are resistant to corrosion and other forms of degradation. This means that they are more durable and can withstand harsh environmental conditions, making them well suited for use in a variety of applications. So, what is this backfill that we keep talking about? Backfill, also known as earth enhancing compound, is a material used to fill the area around an earth electrode in an earthing system. It's an important part of the earthing system because it has a hygroscopic property. This means that it is able to absorb and retain moisture. This helps to prevent the earthing system from becoming too dry, which raises its resistance and thus reduces its effectiveness. It is able to release moisture slowly over time, which maintains a stable moisture level in the earthing system, ensuring that the earthing system functions properly. Finally, the use of copper bonded rods in maintenance-free earthing. Copper bonded rods are better than traditional pipe earthing for several reasons. First of all, copper is more conductive than just GI. Secondly, they are more durable and resistant to corrosion than pipes. This is because they comply with IEC 62561 Part 2 and are made with 99.9% pure electrolytic copper, contributing to the long-term reliability of the earthing system. I hope you now have a clear idea about these types of earthing systems and why maintenance-free earthing is generally recommended across the industry. At Axis, we help to design and install earthing and lightning protection systems across the world. We also manufacture and supply a range of earthing and lightning protection systems tested as per the latest international standards. Our solutions are used for substation earthing, solar, commercial buildings, data centers, petrol stations, and everywhere. Please share your feedback and queries in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about lightning protection and grounding systems along with other videos about electrical engineering. I'll see you in the next video.